Here's what I would do if I was looking for a tractor and I wanted to make the right purchase decision. A subcompact tractor is the smallest tractor. They generally range from about 15 HP to 25 HP. This type of tractor is ideal for a homeowner with some acreage or a small farm or ranch. A subcompact tractor has a small frame and a low center of gravity. Usually, it is the most user-friendly type of tractor. It is easy to get on and off of. It is easy to store. And it is easy to drive. If you want to do jobs like mowing, tilling, and perhaps a little material handling, then a subcompact might be what you want to get. Subcompacts are very maneuverable, and many are equipped with four-wheel drive. What about larger acreages or tougher jobs? A compact tractor is larger. They generally range from about 25 HP to 60 HP. This type of tractor is ideal for medium to large acreages and for tougher jobs. Compact tractors have more ground clearance and a heavier frame. This makes them good for all types of terrain and for all types of jobs. If you have a larger piece of land, or if you want to do more demanding jobs, a compact tractor is what you need to get. Compact tractors can lift heavier loads and they can handle a wider variety of attachments. This makes them more versatile and more useful for many applications. But is bigger always better? When it comes to attachments, the answer is yes. Subcompacts can generally only use fairly small attachments. For instance, the type of mower that comes with a subcompact is called a mid-mount mower. This type of mower is only good for mowing grass. It will not cut brush and it will not lift a load. It is not a very useful attachment. A compact tractor, on the other hand, can use a large variety of attachments. Attachments can be very useful. The more different kinds of attachments you have, the more jobs you can do with your tractor. And the better you can do those jobs, because a compact tractor can use larger attachments. It is more versatile than a subcompact. If you want to do a lot of different jobs, then a compact tractor is what you need to get. So in conclusion, if you want to do very simple jobs on a small piece of property, you should buy a subcompact tractor. If, on the other hand, you want to do more complex jobs on a larger piece of property, you should buy a compact tractor. Remember, either type of tractor can be dangerous to use if you do not follow the safety rules. It is never safe to overload a tractor, and you should never operate a tractor without first reading and understanding the safety section of your owner's manual. Picking the right tractor is important. You will be more productive if you get the right size tractor. You will also be safer. Using the wrong size tractor can lead to accidents, inefficiency, and frustration. By understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each type of tractor,